How to buy Kirill Avery or Avery. Kirill Avery is a human token. So this token came under the symbol of hKIRILLZZY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. It created 20 hours ago, and it increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 97%. That's good. That's my investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your wallet. I will use the Bitcoin wallet for that. Select the Solana as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address. Now after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find your token. So after that, what you need to do, click on token. Now click on swap, switch from here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So as you can see, now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy hKIRILLZZY or yes, hKIRILLZZY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.